The Los Angeles Lakers made a splash last year when they brought up Andre Ingram, who had 19 points, shot 4 of 5 against the rival Los Angeles Clippers. He appears to not have any NBA prospects. However, he is campaigning for himself. He said he received some interest but no offers from the other 29 teams. He has not considered playing professionally overseas. He never really has. He said he is a nervous wreck over his free agency, and he has told his agent to focus on getting him back to the Lakers. Rob Pelinka could not be reached for comment, obviously. It would mean everything, Ingram said, of making the Lakers opening day roster. There is always the next thing, the next goal. Training camp is the next thing, then playing well, doing well, then the next thing, and the next thing. It's a lot of things. That is how it always is. Being on the opening day roster would mean just as much as playing those last 2 games. I agree. I would love to see this. And as I was telling Denise and Brett off air, if you could shoot threes, you should be in the league. And he has shown it, so why not give him a chance? Any team should give him a chance.
I agree. No,
it's a PR win.
It is a PR win, and especially with the Lakers, like any 3-point shooter, and he's proved to have good chemistry with our guys. He's a solid 3-point shooter. He can act and not be dead weight on the team. The problem is, I just feel like it's one of those things, and we were briefly talking about it off air, that he had that one opportunity, and maybe it's time to consider some opportunities overseas.
He's not going to do it. He's already said that he wants to keep his family in America, so he's not going to do it.
We get it, but his family has been deprived for 11 years that he's been on the G League. They've been in the backseat while he's been driving to his dream, and he finally got it. And now it's like, his wife was probably like, thank you, Jesus, for letting him play. And then Muhammad, and then he's like, oh wait, there's more, which is fine. Like, always keep your goals up, but I'm sure his family's tired.
Yeah, I can't speak for his family. I can speak for someone in their 30s, however, and any job you can get, you should take it. And if that is, I think it sucks that he has he's the same age as Dwight Howard, yet we're talking about him like he's 150 years old. He has spent a lot of time in the developmental league to get where he is now. He just needs a little just for men, or the G League, and yeah. And that's it.
That was subtle.
And that's it.
Give him a shot, give him a shot.
Yeah, please give him a shot. Any team should give him a shot. You can hit threes, you belong in the league.